In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show images for selected variants on Shopify. This is a great way to offer your customers a dynamic and engaging shopping experience, allowing them to see exactly what they're interested in when selecting different product variants. Let's get started and make your store even more appealing. First, let's dive into your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll want to navigate over to the Products section, which you'll find in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Products to see the list of items available in your store. Choose the product that you want to modify. Once you're in the product page, scroll down to the section labeled Variants. This is where all the magic happens. Under Variants, you'll notice each variant and an option to add an image. Select the variant you'd like to customize by clicking on it. Doing so will allow you to upload a specific image that corresponds to this variant. Now, hit the Add Image button. A window will pop up, showing your image library. From here, you can either select an existing image or upload a new one. Choose the most appropriate image that represents this variant and hit Save. Now, you have linked a specific image to a specific variant. Repeat this process for each variant available under your product. If you want a different image to be displayed when a customer selects a certain size or color, this is how you make it happen. It helps to organize your images beforehand, ensuring you have one for every variant, making this process smooth and efficient. To view your changes, head over to the Preview section. This step is crucial to ensure everything is working correctly. Click on View, which opens a new tab showing your product page. Here, interact with your product variants. As you select each variant, watch as your newly selected images appear seamlessly. This real-time validation ensures that everything is set up correctly, avoiding any surprises for your customers. Before finalizing, go back to ensure each variant has been linked correctly. It's essential to double-check that all the images match the variant descriptions, maintaining consistency throughout. In doing so, you offer clarity and professionalism to your potential buyers. By following these steps, you're not only enhancing the visual aspect of your product page but also improving user experience. Customers love to know exactly what they're getting, and seeing an image that aligns with their selection is key. I hope you find these instructions straightforward and helpful. By implementing these techniques, you can significantly elevate your store's appeal and functionality. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify!